tumemaliza gari ngapi? This is for Kyogoro, this is Nyaribari Church. Again, I want to give a benefit of doubt kwamba kwa sababu is KEMSA, I can be able to get a report from the facilities kwamba zilifika.
And our team is accompanying the LGBTQ team, inspection and acceptance team, and the SMHs.
Oh,
yeah.
They are
accompanying the make sure that
and I want to see that LGBTQ team now.
Okay.
In here? This is Machoge Borabu.
Yes.
I expect revenue from this consignment. It should be better than before. So,
we have agreed with SMHs. We have given targets.
Yeah, and SMHs again.
Yeah.
It's important for us to know what drugs are there in the shelves.
Yeah. Some of these facilities they don't collect revenue, like Imagine.
Not every facility.
And you know these are low cost drugs.
Only level 4 is correct revenue.
Okay, but even level 4, they are the ones to support level 3 and 2.
Yes.
Yeah.
This is Chake South.
Even Kisii prison, mnakuanga nayo? GK prisons.
Yes.
GK facilities.
Within
the prison.
Do you charge?
We don't charge.
It's for free. Is a dispensary?
Yes.
Oh, okay. I can see a number of them, yes. Mbona mtu hajai niambia juu ya hii dispensary?
Is there, Your Excellency, among us the 158?
161.
Wafungwa hawana pesa, lazima wasaidiwe.
Yes.
Na ni watu wetu.
Yes.
Sasa. What is this, Dr. Matiko?
It's sugar.
Oh, ndio ile watu walikuwa hapo wakikuja hapo wanaambiwa waende wanunue nje. Dr. sometime back, isn't it? So walikuwa wanaambiwa kwenda nunua mtu anawekewa?
Yes. Saline.
Daktari?
Normal saline.
Si ndio? The normal saline walikuwa wanatumwa nje, but now I'm happy that they are going even to the dispensaries.
Yes.
But again, we need to get the data of the people using it. Unajua inawezekana ifike dispensary. The good thing, daktari, tumekubaliana nyinyi story yetu. Vile you'll manage these businesses around. Yeah.
Tunasema gavana Nasidi kukagua gari kuhakikisha kuwa dawa iko ndani. Anakagua gari zote.
Kenyoro. This is Bobasi again.
Yeah, yes.